If you copy this YouTube video link and paste it on this secret website, you will make $10. I've made over $3,000 doing this, and you can do the same if you watch this video to the end and follow all the steps. The best part is, you can do this from anywhere in the world with just your phone or laptop. For step 1, you need to pick a niche. This is the most important step by far. Make sure you don't make any mistake in this step, or else you won't make any money. For those of you who don't know, a niche is a topic of interest, for example, fitness, food and nutrition, woodworking, and many more. There are so many niches you can pick from, but for this video, I will pick the weight loss niche. Make sure when picking a niche, you choose one with little competition so that you can make more money. If you don't know what niche to pick, check the link in the description to get a free PDF list of the best low competition niches and how to make money with them. Now, after picking your niche, you need to learn how to find the right YouTube videos you can copy and paste to make money. For step 2, head over to youtube.com and in the search bar, enter a keyword related to your niche. For example, since my niche is weight loss, I will come to the search bar and search for weight loss, and YouTube will recommend various videos related to weight loss and losing weight. If your niche is different from weight loss, I've added various keywords related to your niche in the PDF linked in the description. After searching YouTube for my niche keyword, I will choose one of these videos. Make sure the video you pick has at least 1 million views with a good amount of likes and comments. But for the sake of this tutorial, I will pick this video with 2 million views. Now, after picking a good YouTube video, read some of the comments so you know if the video is actually helpful and relevant. Keep watching. I will explain why this is important. After choosing your video and reading the comments you need to combine the video with this secret website that has made me over $3,000 just from pasting YouTube video links on their website. For step 3, come to the secret website where you get paid for pasting links. For every link you shorten, you get paid. And the best part is you can do it as much as you want. You can receive your payments in less than 24 hours, and you can get paid through PayPal, Bitcoin, Payeer, or directly to your bank account. The name of this secret website is 8OC, and you can sign up by going to 8OC.com or use the link in the description. This is the website that has made me $3,000, and if you watch this video to the end, I will show you how I use this website and YouTube to make money. But first, go to the homepage of 8OC.com and click this button that says Sign Up. Now enter your username, email address, password. Verify you're not a robot and agree to the terms of use, then click on this button to register your account. Now, after signing up, this is how your dashboard will look like. To start making money copying and pasting YouTube video links, pay attention because this is where most people fail. But before we continue, if you want to learn the strategy I use to make $20,000 per month on the internet without showing my face, check the link in the description for the free course now. For step 4, on your 8OC homepage, click the button that says New Shortened Link. After clicking it, head to YouTube and under the video you picked from step 2, click the button that says Share. Now copy this link and go back to 8OC.com. Paste the link of the YouTube video you just copied in this box, just like I did. Now, after pasting the link, enter a name you'd like to call your new shortened link. I'll call this one Weight Loss 1. Don't change the expiration date. Any changes you make will affect your earnings negatively. After entering all the necessary details, click this button that says Shorten, and there you have it, your new shortened link. With this link, you can make hundreds of dollars every day if you continue watching this video. But before that, repeat this process for 5 different videos. There are 2 reasons you need to do this. 1, the more links you shorten, the more money you'll make. 2, you need to understand this first before I give you the second reason. For step 5, after getting your short link to start making hundreds of dollars daily, you need to get clicks on your link. The more clicks you get, the more money you'll make. There are 5 ways I use to get clicks on my links every day. The first method is using the secret website, where I get thousands of clicks daily. When I combine this website with the other 4, I can get millions of views and make thousands of dollars. But for this video, I'll focus on just one website. If you need the list of the other websites and how to get views with them, get the free guide using the link in the description. The name of this secret website is Quora. This website allows you to ask and answer questions. You can post answers on this website and get thousands or even millions of views. The best part is you don't have to answer these questions yourself, because I will show you how to answer them in less than 10 seconds. To start getting thousands of clicks every day, first create an account on Quora by going to Quora.com. After signing up, your homepage will look like this. Next, go to the search bar and search for a keyword related to your niche. As you can see, there are various questions related to weight loss. Now, click on one of these questions, and you'll be directed to a page where you can answer it. To start answering, copy the question and paste it here. This bot will help you answer the question in less than 30 seconds. The name of this AI bot is ChatGPT, and you can find it in the description or search for ChatGPT on Google. After getting your answer from ChatGPT, you need to do this last thing, or else your answer will get a lot of views, but you won't make any money. Now, for the last step, copy your answer from ChatGPT and go back to Quora. On Quora, click the answer button at the top right corner here and paste your answer from ChatGPT in this dialog box. Make sure you add your shortened link from 8oc.com at the bottom before posting your answer. Here's the template I use to get a lot of clicks on my link. If you found this answer helpful and want to discover a better way that millions of people have used to lose weight, click the link below for a completely free guide. Then insert your link. Now, make sure each time you post an answer on Quora, you change your short link. That way, you don't get banned. This is the second reason why I said shorten up to 5 videos, and that's how you make money copying and pasting YouTube links. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.